guys, we have some breaking news. Just this moment, we had Virgin Atlantic A340-600 coming in to land, making just a regular old landing. And once it was landing, its tire just came right off. So I guess you could call it an emergency landing. All the fire crews and everything came over here to help the aircraft and help the people, passengers, get off. Now there's safely no injuries, but just for now, yeah. As you can see, this Virgin Atlantic flight, which is coming in from London Heathrow, which is making a landing on its way into the airport. It had problems getting the landing gear down, but it wouldn't work. Then finally, at the last second in approach, the landing gear worked. But once they landed the plane, on final approach, once they're landing from about there, tires just gave up. And you can see the tire right there. Just totally gave up. So basically, the aircraft is still okay, but the tires just gave up. And yeah, so Virgin Atlantic A340-600 emergency landing, I guess you can call it, but I guess that's what happens. And I guess I should put these right there, and this right here. And then if you want a front picture of it, there's that. Basically, so the landing gear just came off and it's totally didn't make it. And you guys can watch this in HD if you want. And if you hear that noise, it is my Hurricane Sandy. And then I'm also going to do an airport update. So basically, here's my airport. So I'm going to do an update now. Okay. So here we have an Emirates Boeing 777-300ER, 1000th plane, going to Dubai, Dulles to Dubai. Here we have this US Airways A330-300 going to Philadelphia, then on to Frankfurt. We have this US Airways CRJ-700 going to Charlotte Douglas. Then we have this CRJ. Then we have this United 767-300 going to Zurich. Then we have this United 757-200 with winglets going to Amsterdam Schiphol, which it's on pushback. And then finally, we have this United 777-200 going to London Heathrow. So basically, that's my airport. Yeah. And then I have that control tower. And then this Virgin Atlantic plane, which was arriving from London Heathrow, but had to make an emergency landing. And that's it. That's my airport. See you guys.